Good morning, everyone, and welcome to another Bitcoin market review. I'm gonna give my thoughts again and discuss different game plans that I'm watching here. All right. First things first, big thanks to the sponsor of these market reviews, which is PrimeXBT, an online exchange where you can trade different pairs like gold indices, forex, as well as crypto, all in a single place on a single exchange, which is amazing. So thanks to PrimeXBT for sponsoring. You can use the link in the description to make an account, and then use my promo code to get a nice deposit bonus up to $7,000. All right. So with that being said, let's take a look at Bitcoin. So last week, I posted quite a lot about this recent dump. And the main thing I want to talk about is that basically everyone is already talking like 14 and 12 to 14K is gonna happen no matter what, right? Now, obviously, as you know, these markets tend to fuck everyone up and do whatever the fuck they want. So talking about 12K and 14K happening for sure is just silly in my opinion, because yeah, you just trade level to level and see what happens. Now, obviously, just because everyone says it will happen, saying that it won't happen also ain't the play. But in my opinion, we're in here for some upside before potentially going towards those levels everyone's talking about. I just feel like going straight to 14 to 12K from here would be way too easy since everyone is expecting it. All right. So with that being said, that's just a little sentiment analysis. Always nice to do so. Sorry. But yeah, with that being said, let's take a look at some levels, right? So first of all, the weekly range we're trading in gonna be this one. Why this one? Aggressive trending downside here. Low, the first low before a bounce as range low, and then the first high after getting rejected again as range high. Okay, so clean range. What confirms the range? If we zoom in to the daily, as you can see, key pivotal levels here around range mean, boom, deviation, and then to the tick here, and then aggressive downside. Okay, so that's the weekly range. Last week I said if we close the week above this range low, that I was going to be targeting at least range mean, so 21K, and above range mean, even range high, and potentially towards 28K. Now we did close below, so we gotta be careful, but obviously what remains the same plan is if we reclaim this range low on a daily basis, I think we'll be trading towards range mean and probably range high, okay? Because at that point, way too many people are gonna be trapped below range low, right? And at that point, that's just gonna act as fuel, to send us higher, okay? So yeah, as I said, we've dumped from this range mean below range low. The question everyone should ask themselves is this the sweep of range low before higher, or is it just a breakdown out of the range before we get sent lower? Now, for me personally, confirmation for upside would be, as I said, the reclaim of this. But personally, I don't like shorting this because the chances of this just being a trap below range low, while everyone, as I said at the beginning of the video, while everyone is talking about 14 and 12K already, yeah, that's just not the kind of setup I would like to short. Now, if I were looking for shorts, I would be looking for a sweep of some highs here into that range high level, range low level, get rejected, then I'd look for a scalp short, keep my invalidation tight, and then maybe target this low, these lows, and potentially lower, okay? But until then, I'd like to stay flat here. Now, I personally did long some Bitcoin right around below 16K it was, which I'm still in. And personally, I think we won't see any significant breakdown before taking higher liquidity. So in my opinion, if we're about to get downside from here, right, anything like this will be short-lived and we'll just get a sweep of this low, boom, and then reclaim and then go for some highs, right? So it doesn't make sense to me to just straight break down from here. Since that would be way too easy. But yeah, obviously if it happens, so be it, I'll be ready. But yeah, let's also mark out Monday range. Which is this one. Monday high. Monday low. Right, zooming in. Clean Monday range, as always, right? Where do we look for trades? At the extremes of the Monday range, at least if the highs or lows are not swept yet. So what would that mean in this case? If we sweep Monday high, as I explained earlier, and reject, look for a short there, target Monday low, and then this low, potentially the breakdown, but as I said, I'd be mostly out of shorts after sweeping these lows. If we don't sweep the high and just straight go for Monday low and this low, let's mark that out as well. From a liquidity standpoint, if we sweep these before sweeping anything higher, right, I think the downside will be short-lived and it will be just a sweep, fast reclaim, and then upside. Okay, so those are the main plans that I'm watching. I don't think we get a significant breakdown from here. I think we either just range or we sweep the lows and see upside after that. Okay, so I hope that's clear for everyone. I hope you liked the video. If you did, leave a like. Takes 1 second. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, that helps me a lot. And yeah, big thanks to PrimeXBT for sponsoring. See you in the next one. Peace.